Maybe over here.
All right. Good morning. Court calls the case of the state of Texas versus Sarah Martinez, cause number 2022-0C03052. This proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by the Office of Court Administration, and the El Paso Council Judge's statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar in response to coronavirus. May I have announcement of counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Omar Silva for the state. We're ready.
Jose Trochet for the defendant. We are ready, Your Honor.
You are Sarah Martinez.
Yes, sir.
Raise
Yes,
your
sir.
right hand. Solemnly swear affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right, Mr. Crochet, what do you have?
Your Honor, we have filed a motion to withdraw from this case. There are two cases that came out of the same incident, both possession cases. One is a felony and the other one is a misdemeanor. Of course, the one in your court is a misdemeanor. We had filed a motion to withdraw in both cases, and motion to withdraw on the felony was granted. I believe Ms. Kate Sullivan has been appointed to represent her in that. And Your Honor, we felt after dealing with this case for a while that it was in the best interest of my client for me not to represent her. And so that's the reason that I filed a motion, Your Honor.
All right, but what is the reason?
Well, Your Honor, we had entered into negotiations and talked a lot about what we had to do. We entered into negotiations for a PTD, pretrial diversion. My client came to my office, signed all the paperwork, then decided she didn't want to do it. Is at that point, Your Honor, that we developed a conflict. Your Honor, I've been practicing now for a very, very long time, and I just wanted to let the court know I'm a little uncomfortable, talking about all this. I don't want to prejudice my client's case. She does have, if the court were to grant my motion and appoint someone else, or even Ms. Sullivan, I think she would be better served than if I stay on the case, Your Honor.
Well, unfortunately, you wait until the eve of trial to urge your motion. Your motion was filed in early December, and it's not until recently that you asked for it to be set. I'm not in the habit of letting people out at the last minute unless there's a really good reason. You're just telling me that she had agreed to PTD and then withdrawn, decides she doesn't want to do it. So I think you stay on and we try it on Tuesday.
Well, Your Honor, my client has told me that she intends to file a grievance against me in this case, and that and Your Honor, we had filed a motion. We had expected that your case would be taken care of on the in the felony court also. In other words, I am not ready to try this case on next week, Your Honor.
Well, I suggest you get ready, Mr. Trochet. Clients file grievances all the time whenever they feel like, but She can try to avoid going to trial, but Tuesday we are going to try this case. Omar, do you have anything on this matter?
Yes, Your Honor. Because of the motion to withdraw, in this instance, the forensic scientist is not in El Paso, and I would have to fly them in. And at this moment, then if I was waiting to see what would happen with the motion to withdraw, then I would have to file a motion to continue to get a special setting to get the forensic scientist, because since she does have the felony pending, I would request to have, she's requesting a trial on the felony and also on the misdemeanor, so have the forensic scientist come in the same week so we can take care of both trials.
What court is the felony in?
It's in the 243rd, Your Honor.
And when is that scheduled for trial?
It's not scheduled for trial at this point, Your Honor. I don't believe, once my motion was granted and a new court a new attorney appointed, I believe they're going to set a new trial schedule.
I spoke to the felony ADA, and I believe he told me it's set for May.
All right, I'm not waiting until May.
Your Honor, I understand that you don't want to wait till May, but maybe reset it so I can have a special setting to have the forensic scientist flown in.
Your Honor, can I speak?
Yes, ma'am.
I also don't want to I don't want to wait. I actually also want this to be over as soon as possible, if that's possible. I'm with you, Your Honor. I wouldn't want to wait for any longer on this case.
All right. Omar, I would suggest you file your motion,
Yes, Your Honor.
but at this point, Mr. Trochet, I'm going to leave you on the case. Anything further?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
All right, you may be excused.
Thank you.
And you may be excused as well, Ms. Martinez.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Your Honor, I don't have anything further. Can I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Judge, Mr. Ortega called and said that he lost his phone and will not be able to appear on Zoom today.
Okay. Do you have a number for him?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell him that he is set. When is he set for trial?
Tomorrow is the docket call.
Okay. Then we will, Mr. Labrado, were you able to hear that?
I can't hear anybody. My volume is high. Let me see. Hello? Somebody say something?
You
Hello?
hear anything at all?
Okay, I got you guys.
All right. Your client called and said he had lost his phone and will not be on Zoom today.
Yes, he called me 5 minutes before 10:30.
Yes. So we will take this matter up tomorrow at docket call.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody may be excused.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Judge.
Thank you. We'll see everybody else back at 11 for our jail docket.
Yes, Judge.
Oh, Judge, sorry, one thing. For the 11 o'clock, Mr. Dunham called on Evan Hardcastle, saying that the felony did not let him withdraw. So if he could just cancel the hearing and he's going to continue representing him.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Sounds good. And we just have a couple of status hearings, right?
Yes. Yep, that's all it's left.
Okay, see y'all back at 11.
Okay, Judge.